Walking with the ghost.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Dre coming at you with another Shiba Inu video today. This is gonna be on how to unstake your Shiba Inu from your ShibaSwap and put it back into your DeFi wallet and or MetaMask, whichever one you're using. Now, this video would have been uploaded a long time ago, but it ran into some complications. The first time I tried making the video, it took like 8 or 9 hours for the Ethereum to transfer to my DeFi wallet. So by the time I was able to make the video, I had to go to work. So it basically complicated me there. The second time when I was making the video and unstaking my SHIBA from ShibaSwap, they approved my transaction, so they approved my unstaking, but they didn't actually unstake my crypto, or my SHIBA. So they just basically charged me like $12 or $13 for the gas fee or whatever, but didn't actually take my SHIBA out. So since it did it twice on me, I suggest you guys do at least double the amount of the gas fee for whatever Ethereum you're transferring, because the reason what stopped me the second time, like I said, was because I had to pay the money to transfer the Ethereum to the wallet and then pay for the wallet to transfer to ShibaSwap, and then after the Ethereum didn't work with the ShibaSwap, it's like, okay, now I gotta restart that whole thing and pay for the transfer to the wallet and then the wallet to ShibaSwap to swap it out. So in order not to pay the double fees of transferring to your wallet, I suggest buying enough to pay for the gas fees twice. I know it doesn't sound great, but until I find some fix for it, I suggest this is the best way if you guys ever run into this. I know I've ran into this twice already, so I'm letting people know ahead of time about it. Also, the first time you saw me transfer it to the wallet was in crypto.com. This time I transferred it to the wallet from Voyager because it's about half the price at crypto.com. I suggest you guys get a Voyager account. I hold a good amount of Shiba Inu in here. I hold 21 million. You need at least 15 million for the 2% interest that you get each month. I suggest if you plan on holding it long term, this is a good app as well besides crypto.com. But yeah, I suggest doing your transfers from Voyager instead of crypto.com, unless you guys have a cheaper way, of course. Then let me know in the comments below, and I'll leave my referral link for Voyager in the description, so if you guys decide to make an account, you can. Now, without further ado, if you guys will hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, we should be taking this Shiba Inu out of ShibaSwap and putting it back into the DeFi wallet. Now, see, you guys want to go to Bury again, go to Bury SHIB, unstake. I'm just gonna unstake 4 million because I'm here for the long haul. There's my gas fee. Alrighty, y'all, I'm back. As you can see, the swap worked. It was a success, 4 million out of my account. That is $112 as we speak. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button, as I will be making another video here shortly on crypto.com, because Shibakun is coming out. Now, if you guys heard of Shiboshis, Shibakun's coming out, and that's going to be huge for Shiba Inu, and I'm going to make a video on that here shortly, so stay tuned, guys.